Aloe vera for natural hair. This mix is very cooling and soothing. It serves as a good sealant, and does wonders to natural hair. How to make it? Using a double boiler, gently heat up, over a low to medium flame, these ingredients: 1/4 cup of raw shea butter, 1 tablespoon of apricot kernel oil, and 1 tablespoon of grapeseed oil. Remove from the heat once shea butter becomes soft, and let it cool down for 5 minutes. Take a mixing bowl, and add in it 2 tablespoons of pure aloe vera gel. Now, slowly pour in the oil mixture you heated before, into the bowl with aloe vera, while beating it with a hand mixer. Whip the contents until everything is combined nicely. It may take a couple of minutes or so. Add 5 to 7 drops of lavender essential oil, and beat again for 2 minutes more. The mix is ready. Use it by scooping with clean fingers, and do not let any water get into it. Store it in a dark, dry and cool place, for up to 4 months. Instead of lavender essential oil, you can use frankincense, vanilla, or sandalwood essential oil. If you don't have aloe vera gel, use aloe vera juice. 1 tablespoon is enough for this recipe. The benefits of the ingredients. Aloe vera is very effective for dry skin and itchy scalp, due to its soothing and cooling properties. It is a great sealant for natural hair, and can be used directly on hair. A pea-sized amount is enough. Shea butter is another sealant, and it soothes the itchy scalp too. Apricot kernel oil is light and gets easily absorbed. It contains lots of vitamins A and E, oleic and linoleic fatty acids. Vitamins protect your cells from the free radical damage, and the fatty acids keep your hair naturally hydrated. Grapeseed oil is also very light and moisturizing. It won't burden your hair, or make it look greasy. Lavender essential oil is good for dry itchy scalp, and it reduces inflammation and irritation.